can see the comment spam using our mobile. So first, we'll go to Chrome. Here you can see now the YouTube. So if you don't have like that, we can search the youtube.com. Here at the home page of the YouTube, we go to our dashboard there at the right side. Creator Studio. We can see here dashboard, video manager, live stream, community, channel, analytic, etc. etc. Now we click here in the community. We can see now here publish comment. Here all the comment in your YouTube channel. And held for review, and then likely spam. We have 156 spam message. I think the one that have a check, we can delete now that one if you want to delete. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.